What's going on, everyone? My name's Roszko and welcome to the channel. According to Yeezy Mafia, we have a new colorway coming in the Yeezy 350 V2. They're calling it Israfil. Now, we actually have first-hand images of this sneaker fully put together, but before we dive into that, I do have an unboxing that we need to do. Now, this actually just came in. It shipped out. It got delivered super fast. I got a trusty knife this time. Woo! I got the trusty knife. I still need to get some really fancy knife. So let's take a look at these. So here they are. And come to find out, not a lot of people got access to this, which was quite surprising. I know my guys out there in Canada unfortunately was not part of the drop, so they could not get this. Also, if you lived out in the EU, you had access to the Yeezy 500s. So it was only US. You could pick with the Waverunners or the Zebras, but you only could get one. I ended up only having access to the Waverunners, so that's what I went with. Fortunately, when I had access, they didn't have my size. My size was sold out, so I ended up scooping up a size 11. I'll figure out what I want to do. I know a lot of you guys are gonna hit me up asking me about this sneaker, but I'm leaning towards maybe of giving it away to you guys. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I might be giving these away very soon. I'm curious to find out what is the production date. Are they part of the last restock in 2019 that they kind of just had leftover pairs, which I'm kind of leaning towards that. So let's take a look at the shoe. Whew. No matter how many times I can open up the Waverunners, man, they are so clean and fire, man. Woof. So this is the new, I guess, fresh restock pair of the Waverunners. People get mad that they keep restocking these, but no, honestly, the more the merrier. That's how I feel with these. I want people to be able to get this shoe. I think it's an awesome, classic Yeezy sneaker. Maybe they'll restock them once a year. It seems like that's what they've been doing, so maybe. Now, the production date on this is 8/19. So 8/19. So it is a older pair that they had left over from the last drop. My pair is actually made in India. A lot of people don't know they have two production facilities. They have one in India and they also have one in China. These pairs were made in India. Usually India pairs are very good quality. Like, there's not a lot of quality control issues. That's good. Like, my pair is immaculate. Classic colorway. My favorite part of the Waverunner has to be the orange drips on the side. I mean, that is just an iconic. Just the sole in general is super iconic on this sneaker. And then the highlighter yellow shoelaces are so dope on this. It's a classic, man. If you decided to go with the Zebras though, you might have been better off, because as far as resale is concerned on this shoe, it has tanked dramatically. It feels like everyone who got access and decided to pick up a pair just picked up a pair to resell it. If you look on StockX, all of the prices tanked. All of them. They were like at $450, $475. Now, after they restocked, everyone's trying to resell them. They're going for like $350 right now. So even if you try to sell on StockX, you're not gonna be making, you'll be making like 25 bucks tops. My best suggestion is to hold these. I don't think they'll restock them again this year. Hold them, maybe sell them around the holiday season. Rather than the Zebras, if you bought a pair of Zebras, they haven't dropped down at all. They're going for still like 350 bucks. Shout out to Adidas and Yeezy for restocking them. Let me know, guys, if you decided to cop these, if you got your pairs in already. Dope sneaker, dope sneaker. All right, now let's start off by, what does Israfil mean? Now, according to the Bible, it means in translation, the burning one, and it's actually an angel. So Israfil is an angel who blows into the trumpet before Armageddon. Huh, at least we learned something new today. Looking at this shoe, I like it. I think this is a good colorway for the 350 V2. The 350 V2 colorways for 2020 have been really good. It kind of has that denim blue on the prime knit upper, and then it has that translucent stripe, but it's in that vintage yellow, and then the secondary coat on the prime knit color looks like to be yellow as well. So you're gonna get that denim blue, little bit of that yellow, and then the yellow translucent stripe. Then it looks like on the inside of the sneaker is going to be a navy blue, and then that blue is also on the sole. Now, the prime knit pattern for this sneaker has changed. If you flip over and look at the medial side of the sneaker, you'll be able to see the design aspect of the shoe, and you can see that the pattern is just a little bit different. So they are trying to mix it up a little bit on the 350 V2 just to give it a different feel. I think they need to do that on this sneaker for sure. Now, one thing you're obviously gonna notice is the lacing system on this sneaker is the bungee cord or the infinity laces, I like to call them. Again, according to Yeezy Mafia, they are going to provide you with 2 sets of laces on this Yeezy. So you will be getting the infinity laces, and then you're also going to get a regular separate set of laces, giving you some options, which I like. You know, some other brands give you separate set of laces as well. You're going to have to get used to this. I think the infinity laces are going to continue on all Yeezys going forward. I mean, Ye has stated on record that he doesn't like laces on sneakers. Like, especially when he performs, he doesn't want to worry about tying his sneakers or anything like that. He's actually have told Steven Smith, who's the lead sneaker designer for Yeezy, to start making more Yeezys without shoelaces. He's giving you the option though. I like it though. You need to give the option because not everyone's gonna want, you know, shoes with no laces. But I like this colorway. I think it's dope. I think it's gonna be an instant sellout. I think a lot of people are gonna like this colorway. It's a must cop for me. So Israfil, we could probably expect this sneaker to be releasing in June. You know, April's all set, May's all set. We also got another look at another colorway coming soon. This is a mock-up from Yeezy Season 2. And this one, they're calling it the Oreo. I don't think that's the right name. I think it's gonna be a biblical name, but it has that same design aspect as the Ye Chill, where it's gonna be one separate color at the bottom. That top quadrant here is gonna be a different color, which like it's gonna be like a blue. So it looks like it's gonna be a navy blue on baby blue, possibly. We don't really have a look at the shoe fully put together. We just got images of the prime knit and a mock-up of the sneaker. So we have Linen 350 V2, we have the Zion, we have the Israfil, and then we have this one coming. So let me know down in the comments if you're excited about the Israfil. This one's gonna be a cop or a drop for you. But guys, that's my video for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.